welcome to Hitx. Get ready for an intense ride as we bring you some of the most unbelievable car crashes caught on camera. Fasten your seatbelt, because these moments will leave you stunned. Let's jump right in.
I think the authorities made a mistake in giving this person a driver's license. All that disappeared when these two cars chose to confront each other. A house at a crossroads is never a safe choice. This car was lucky the second time, but he will have to see the police. Very lucky in this situation because there was no one in the car. He did a magic trick that no one could follow. The first important thing when parking is to apply the brake, otherwise you will be the stupidest person. Be responsible when there are many people in the car. The accident left extremely serious consequences for people and property. This crazy chariot comes from hell. It deserves to be cursed because it has harmed so many people. Remember the height of your vehicle when driving on the road. This container chose to crash into a building instead of staying on the road. These people should be at home and not driving. On steep mountain passes, there are always places for cars to stop. Take advantage of them when necessary. Just lie there. The garbage truck will come for you. Oh my God. This scene is like in an action movie. It's terrible. He did something stupid. The huge collision damaged a house, and the driver was gone forever. This curve has witnessed two terrible accidents when drivers did not reduce speed. This is a big lesson for the next people. Tell me, is this scene in a movie or in real life? If you find this video interesting and meaningful, please give us one like and one follow, so we have the motivation to make the next videos to send to you. This guy fell asleep for 3 seconds, and as a result his car fell asleep too. A serious accident occurred between 3 containers. The consequences you have seen. Two accidents happened at the same time. God bless them. This is one crazy car. This pickup truck did not slow down and ran a red light. Should his driver's license be revoked? No, it's unbelievable. This guy tried to run away from the police, and as a result, he had to stand trial for his actions. This man was lucky to escape death in 1 second, but that is a great lesson for everyone not to take their lives for granted. He wasn't paying attention to the highway exit, and it was too late. This woman had consumed alcohol before driving, so she could not control her speed. In your opinion, who is right and who is wrong in this case?
Slow down, brake!
Is he happy or worried?
Doing? Trying to hit the cop?
Calmly solving all problems in traffic collisions is the best way. Don't be hasty, and then things go too far. Luckily, the police responded promptly. Wow, he braked in time. This car drove very fast in the rain, and the road was very slippery. Thank you for watching the entire video. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel to wait for the next video. Goodbye.